Hello everyone, my name is Jene. You're watching Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Hello everyone and welcome. For those of you that are new to the channel or just stopping by, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you hear, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. To all my subscribers, a big howdy and thank you so much for spending some time with me today. We have got an unbagging to do, and this is my first diamond painting purchase from Amazon in a long while. So I saw this image and I thought, ooh, I really need to get this one because it represents Transcona, which is the area that I live in Winnipeg. So by saying that, let's go ahead and undo the bag and take a look and see what's inside. Here we go. So I hope you're all having a great day today. Today is Saturday and it is cold here in Winnipeg. We had snow last night, but not very much. So I'm very grateful for that. Don't want the snow. All right, here we go. There we are. Is that it? Yep. All right. So this comes from a store off of Amazon called Studeo, and it is a 16 by 20 inches. Let's see what it says here. It's a 40 by 50 centimeter. And let's take a look at the image. Now this is the first time that I've purchased from this particular seller, so it'll be interesting to find out how they pan out. I haven't bought a lot of paintings from Amazon in a while, so I saw this image and I thought, oh, I really need to get this one. And Jill, if you're watching, you'll understand why. Okay, so we're gonna flip it like this. So basic green tray, no cutout, no spout, basic pink pen, and a small plate of wax. And then here are the drills. So let's roll this the opposite direction. All right. It's not playing nicely. There we go. Boy, is it ever tough. Okay. So this is an oil canvas. It's definitely a very tight weaved canvas back here. So it's not as flexible as some of the oil canvases out there. Poured glue, which is nice. We like to work with poured glue. And let's take a look. All right. So there is the image. And let's see if I move that like that. There we go. Very pretty. I saw this and like I said, it was like, ooh, I have to get this one. Now this is a flamingo, and Transcona, you see a lot of pink flamingos out in the front yards of most Transcona homeowners. So I really thought this would be a great addition to my collection down here in the basement. Unfortunately, I can't seem to get it to straighten out completely, but that's okay. Again, like I said, it's poured glue. It's a 40 by 50 full round. And this painting has 20 colors. It is DNC coated. So let's take a look at the drills. And then once we look at the drills, we'll take a look at the schematics as well as the drill field. All right. Really bright colors in this one. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom the camera in so we can take a look at these beautiful drills. So hold on. All right, so let's go with the first strand here. Now, as I said, these are DNC coded, but the DNC code is on the painting and not on the bag of drills, which is fine. We've got some, this looks like 310. I can't really tell you for sure. Let's see. Yes, this has got to be 310. We got some really nice reds in here. Really pretty. Look at the shimmer off of those drills. Wow. That's got to be 550. It's a really dark purple. That's got to be 550. Some more reds. A really dark purple there. 310. All right, so there's your first ribbon. And now we're going to go through the second ribbon. And so we've got some pinks here. It's a dark green. More pink, green, another dark green, more pink. Ooh, look at all the hitchhikers in that one. Wow. Light pink. That looks more of a, this is a dark mauve. And that's an orange pink, some dark lavender, dark tan, and a dark tan. So there are all the colors. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the camera down a little bit closer to the painting so that way we can take a look at the schematics as well as the drill field. Here we go. There we are. Okay, so let's take a look at the schematics. So the schematics look really clear. Perfect size. So we got ends. Let's see, I'm just looking at the symbols to see if there is something that may catch me off guard. I don't know what that is. Looks like someone's sticking their tongue out at me. Okay, and that wouldn't be the first. Let me see. What is that? Oh, it's a music note. Look at this. It's a music note. So can you see that? Because to me it looks like someone's sticking their tongue out at me. But that's because I'm looking at it upside down. So, all right. Let's take a look at the drill field real quick. Bring that up. Drill field looks very clear. I'm sorry for the glare. that looks pretty good. Looks really good. So what do you guys think? I think the drill field looks good. Looks nice and clear. Schematics really nice. It's not too small, it's not too big. Oh, you know what? Almost forgot. We're going to do the 1 finger sticky test. So let's go right here. Oh yeah, that's nice and sticky. Okay, so we're just going to cover this up, and it's not a very good way of covering it up, but it is what it is. That plastic and me just don't get along. I will fix that though. Okay, so what I'm going to do is pause the camera. We're going to bring the camera back up. We're going to take one last look at this canvas, and we'll be right back. All right, everyone, we're back, and let me know what you think about this canvas. I think it's beautiful, and the colors are going to be amazing. Now, before I actually can get started on this painting, I'm going to have to put it in between my box spring and mattress so we can get rid of the lumps and bumps. But I really think this painting is going to work out really beautifully. Let me know what you think. Again, I got this off of Amazon CA. The store or seller is Skyu, and it's a 16 by 20 inches or a 40 by 50 full round. It has 20 colors, and I think it's going to turn out beautifully. By saying that, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Always remember, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Again, my name is Jene. Thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.